Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Geography Unit 2 Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. First, let us see Introduction. We drink more water during summer and do not drink the same amount of water during winter. Why do we wear cotton or lighter clothes during summer season and heavy woolen clothes during cold weather season in North India? Why do we wear woolen clothes in South India? This is because of the prevalence of varying weather condition between North India and South India. The drinking more water and drinking less water and wearing different type of clothes, everything depends upon climate. So in this chapter, you will be learning about the climate, rainfall distributions, natural vegetations, and wildlife of our country. Now let us see the factors affecting the climate. So as we saw before in the intro, we drink more water in summer season and we drink less water in winter season. So everything because of the factor affecting the climate. So here you have what are the factors affecting the climate. Climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, distance from the sea, monsoon wind, relief features, and jet stream. These are the factors which affects our climate and which affects our living style. So first let us see latitude. Latitudinally, India lies between 18 degree 4th north and 37 degree 6th north latitude. In simplest way, latitude mean angular distance of north or south from the equator. That means the Tropic of Cancer divides the country in two equal halves. That means the country has been divided with the help of latitude in two equal halves. The area located to the south of Tropic of Cancer experience high temperature like South India. When we divide with the help of latitude, the south region may get high temperature and north serves cold season throughout the year, where the area to the north of this parallel enjoys subtropical climate. This latitude north part, that means when we divide uh, our country with help of latitude, the north side they enjoy even a cold season throughout the year. That means Himalayan that side. Here, summer temperature in south side, a summer temperature may rise above 40 degrees Celsius and it is close to freezing point during winter also. So because of latitude, our climate is getting changed. With the help of latitude, we are dividing our country into two sides. That means north side and south side. In summer season, south side they get 40 degrees Celsius and sometimes it goes to a freezing winter. And next, the factor affecting the climate is altitude. Altitude, the meaning is height. So let us see. When the altitude increases, that means height increases, the temperature decreases. The altitude meaning is height. When height increases, temperature decreases. Temperature decrease at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter from the accent. It is also called normal lapse rate. Here, temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter. For best example, I hope you might have traveled to the hill station and you might have traveled in plain area. So just imagine in Erode during the summer season you may feel a high temperature. But if you go for any hill station like Ooty or Kodaikanal or Aircard, you may see the variation in the temperature. That's the reason every 1000 meter the temperature decrease. That means with the help of altitude. So altitude is also one of the reason for reducing the temperature, for increasing the temperature. And third one, distance from the sea. This is also a major factor for changing the climate. So let us see. And in this distance from the sea, changes temperature and pressure variation, and also affects amount of rainfall. Distance from the sea, it affects temperature and as well as pressure variation, and affects the amount of rainfall. The part of the country does not have very clearly marked winter or summer. So the where you can see, you may see in a map, many like Kerala, Goa, Mumbai, that means Maharashtra, or Chennai, Kanyakumari. These regions are located near to the sea. In these places, definitely there will be various temperature, pressure variation, etc. will be there, and we cannot predict when it will be raining, when it will not rain. Sometimes when cyclone arise in the sea, definitely we will get rain. So distance from the sea is also an important reason for climate change. So here you have the annual temperature. You can see here the annual temperature at Kochi does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius, as it is located is on the coastal, while it is as high as 40 degrees Celsius at Delhi. So in annual temperature, Kochi is near to the seashore. So there they register 30 degrees Celsius. But Delhi is far away from the ocean, so it has recorded 40 degrees Celsius during the summer season or normal season. And it also affects rain also. The Kolkata, you can see down, and Kolkata located near the coast in 190 centimeters, and it decreases to the just 24 centimeters at Bikaner, which is located in the interior part. So Kolkata is little near to the seashore. They are receiving 119 centimeters. Some interior part they are getting only 24 centimeter. So this is the major factor. So distance from the sea is also a major factor for the climate change. So there won't be a accurate temperature or pressure variation. Because of that, sometimes rain will come, sometimes rainfall will be less. And next one, monsoon wind. The wind is also a major factor for the climate change. The most dominated factor which affects climate of India is monsoon wind. There are seasonal reverse winds in India, and remains the influence of these winds for a considerable part of year. Though the sun rays are vertical over the central part of India during the mid June, the summer season ends in India by the end of May, and it is because the one set of southwest monsoon brings down the temperature of entire India and causes moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Similarly, the climate of southeast India is also influenced by northeast monsoon. Actually, this monsoon wind has a two type of wind. It has two type of wind which helps to get the climate change. So here you have the picture. You can see this monsoon wind has two type of wind. One is southwest monsoon in India, and another one is northeast monsoon in India. This monsoon, the way of air blows, you can see here, southwest monsoon from Arabian Sea, from Indian Ocean, the wind blows towards to the west side. So that is the reason it is called as southwest monsoon in India. And same way, there is another set of monsoon that is called northeast monsoon in India. You can see it comes reverses. That's the reason in summer, during south side, during the May month, the summer ends, and we will get a set of rain in June month. That is called southwest monsoon. Because of the southwest monsoon, we are getting rain. So next one, relief. This is also major factor for climate change. The relief of India has the great bearing on major elements of climate such as temperature, atmospheric pressures, direction of wind, and the most of rainfall. So the relief, because of this, there are different type of changes, and the Himalayas, you know very well, Himalayas. They says that Himalaya act as a barrier to the freezing cold wind blows from the Central Asia and keep Indian subcontinent very calm. You just imagine if there is no Himalayas, we would have been frozen. Since Himalayas are there, it is blocking cold wind which comes from Central Asia and keeps subcontinent of India as a little warm. If there is no Himalayas, definitely we will be suffering from cold, like freezing cold. We have to face it, and then as such as North India experienced tropical climate even during the winter, and that's the reason what is that tropical climate in North India, because of Himalayas, they are experiencing a winter season during southwest monsoon area on the western slope of the Western Ghats, which have rainfall. You might have studied Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. So with the help of these locations, Western Ghats receiving rainfall. On the contrary, vast area of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu lies in the rain shadow and leeward side of the Western Ghat, receiving very little rainfall. So the relief, the location, the Western Ghats, which are near to the, you can see Western Ghats in the map, which will be near to the Goa, Maharashtra, that side. So there are two types of wind blowing sections are there. One is what is that? Windward side, leeward side. The windward side is called as western slopes. They get heavy rainfall. Contrary, opposite side. That is called Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, because they are in leeward side where they receive a less rainfall. During the season, Mangaluru, located on the coastal, gets the rainfall about 280 centimeters, whereas the Bengaluru, located on the leeward side, receives only about 50 centimeter rainfall because of I said windward side. Windward side, the place which is facing windward side, they receive heavy rainfall, but the leeward side, like a mountain, the Western Ghats, opposite side, they receive only 50 centimeter rainfall. And the last one is sorry, not last one, a jet stream. Next one is jet stream, which affects climate change. The jet stream means a fast moving wind blowing in the narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. It's a jet stream in the sense a fast moving wind. It's called as air current. It changes climate. According to the jet stream theory, there is a jet stream theory. One set of southwest monsoon is driven by the shift of the subtropical westerly jet from the plain of India towards the Tibetan plateau. From Indian plateau plain, it goes to Tibetan plateau because of fast moving wind. The easterly jet stream causes tropical depression both during southwest monsoon and retreating monsoon. There will be depression because of jet stream. When wind blows in heavy, it takes away the cloud. So definitely there will be a depression. Sometimes you might have experienced. You may see black clouds, rainy clouds will be staying in upper layer. Suddenly the wind takes off the black clouds. So that is called as jet stream. Jet stream is nothing but a fast moving winds. And next one is monsoon. So these are the factors which is affecting climate. So latitude, the latitude means dividing a country into two equal halves because of the temperature varies. Altitude, the meaning of altitude is height, because of height temperature varies. And location from the sea, location from the sea, because location from the sea also changes the climate. And then monsoon wind, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, then relief and jet stream. These are the major factors for climate change. Now let us see, next topic is called as monsoon. Monsoon. The word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausiam, which means season. Originally, the word monsoon was used by Arab navigators several centuries ago to describe a system of seasonal rivers of wind along the shores of Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea. It blows from the southwest to the northeast during the summer and from the northeast to southwest during the winter. So it changes. The monsoon means there are two type of wind. I said southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. It is reversal. So to describe this, Arabic people were using the word is called monsoon. They were using the word mausiam. The meaning of mausiam is season. So here we have some complex meteorological phenomena of monsoon. The meteorological have developed number of concepts about the origin of monsoon. So they have developed many concepts how the monsoon has been originated. According to the dynamic concept, there is a concept that is called as dynamic concept. The monsoon wind originated due to seasonal migration of planetary winds. So migration, moving from one place to another place, is called as migration. So this monsoon happens because of seasonal migration of planetary winds. A small, with the help of plant, the winds will be blowing, am right? With the help of that, it has been changed. Planetary winds and pressure belt following the position of the sun. The position of sun, that's the reason we are getting winter, summer, spring, etc. season, because of the position of the sun. During the summer solstice, the sun ray falls vertical over the Tropic of Cancer. During the summer, the ray vertically flow. That's the reason we are getting high temperature. Therefore, all the pressures and wind belts of the globe shift northward. At this time, intertropical convergence zone also moves northward, and major part of the Indian landmass comes under the influence of southeast trade winds. While crossing equator, this wind gets deflected and take the direction of southwest and become the southwest monsoon. During the winter season, the pressure and wind belt shift southward, thereby establishing the northeast monsoon trade wind over this region. Such systematic changes in the direction of planetary wind is called monsoon. So changes because of the sun position, the temperature changes and the wind blowing methods. So you think, sir, this is very simplest thing. It's not a simplest thing. The wind carries or wind changes the climate. That's the reason we call monsoon. In Tamil Nadu, right now we are facing summer season. At the end of May month, with the help of southwest monsoon, we will get a sufficient rain. And also I said leeward side, windward side. Chennai is in leeward side, and like Kerala and Kanyakumari, they are facing in windward side, where they can get rainfall easily, and Chennai as a leeward side, they will get little rainfall. So everything because of the wind change, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. So here you have seasons. Apart from the monsoon means season, which we got from Arabic word mausiam. Here we have a season. The meteorologists recognize the 4 distinct seasons in India. They are winter or cold weather season from January to February. And next one is pre-monsoon or summer or hot weather season, March, May. And third, southwest monsoon or rainy season, June, September. And fourth, northeast monsoon season, October, December. These are the seasonal changes. These are the seasonal changes which we have as per the meteorologists. They say there are 4 distinct seasons. So today we have studied how climate get changes, what are the factors affecting the climate, and next one we saw what is monsoon. The word monsoon means in Arabic the word monsoon means season, but in Arabic they say mausim. There are 4 distinct seasons. So today you can write a homework, that is what is latitude, what is altitude, and then what is jet stream, what is called monsoon. From the word monsoon, from there to you can write first paragraph up to the southwest during the winter, that is called what is monsoon's answer, and then what are the season. This is the homework or self test, you can do it and you can send it to our group. Thank you, children.